Hello, dear students. I hope you are fine and doing well. In this lecture, we're going to talk about the DDB function and VDB function. Both of them are financial functions. Last lecture, we talked about DB function and SLM function. No, today, DDB function and VDB function are financial functions to calculate the depreciation value for your asset. In the DDB function, we're going to see that it returns the depreciation of an asset for a specific period using the double declining balance. Now, the first one, we use the fixed declining in the DB, but here we're going to use the double declining balance method. Also, we need the initial cost, we need the salvage value, and we also need life in lifetime or periods or whatever. In the VDB function, it returns the depreciation for an asset for any period you specify. It's same as and use the DDB, the double declining function method, but here it's a bit different because I can specify any period I want, like in the first year, day, second day, first week, first month, first year, from the sixth day to the 10th day, from the second month to the fourth month. However, all of that we're going to see in this function. So let's get started with the first example that will show us the DDB function. As we said before, I'm going to give you another example, and these are the values that we're going to need. Simple, all of this one, lifetime, and we're going to see it's in year as well. Now, the same as the others, like the DB function, the DDB function is more, it's going to use another method, we call it double declining balance. So we're going to need the same thing, only the function will be different. We can also go from here, right, DDB function, and I'm going to see right here. We can go from the formula, and I can see the DDB here. We also can go from the FX, right, DDB go, and I can see right here, and we can see these arguments. As we can see, these are optional and these are required as well. Now, how to calculate? It's very easy. Just press equal to start our formula. As we know, I'm going to do this type, just typing DDB. Now I have the cost. Just click on the cost and F4. As we said, we need to use F4, salvage value as well, F4, life of time as well. We're going to need to use F4, comma, what else do we need? The life. I had the life, sorry, where is the salvage? I didn't do the comma, life, and I'm gonna need to do F4 as well. Now, comma, the period, because I'm gonna calculate the DDB function for every period for every year. So I need to select number 1 for year number 1 and press enter just to drag, and I'm gonna see that we have here depreciation for each year using the double declining balance method, not the fixed declining balance, but here we're going to use the double declining balance method. What is the total? Using go to sum, press enter, we can see the total is $892,000 and $626. $892,626 is the depreciation for this asset that has the initial cost $1 million, salvage value is $100,000, and the lifetime in years is 10 years. This was sorry for this interruption. Uh, this was the DDB function. Now we're gonna go for the VDB function, and the VDB function is almost the same as DDB function. It's also used, as we can see, just for any assist for any period you specify. It's same as almost the same as DDB function. It also uses a double declining balance method, but here we can use it if we have something different. Like what? I want to calculate the depreciation for the first year, for the first day, only the first day, not the first year. I want to calculate it for the second day. I want to calculate it for the 10th day. I want to calculate for the first month, for the 10th month. I want to calculate for the first year. And I want to calculate maybe the 6th month to the 18th, a period. I have a period of months or days or years or whatever, weeks. So all that, I cannot do it with DDB function. I have to use the VDB function. So if you're going to see the first day, second day, or last day, or a period like this between, that means you have to use the VDB function. You cannot use the DDB function. Now it's very easy. Just equal VDB and double click. What do I have here? Here, because I'm using only calculating for one by one, each one is a different question. I don't need to do the F4 here. I don't need to do the F4, so I'm just going to go for cost, comma, salvage, comma, lifetime. Now, what do we need to pay attention for? We need to focus on. I'm going to calculate for the first day, the depreciation, for the first day. My lifetime is in years, and this one is days, so I need to multiply this one by 365. The lifetime must be multiplied with the day or month or week or whatever. So here I am going to calculate the first day. That means I need to convert the years to days. How do I do that? By multiplying the year to 365 days, comma. As we can see, start period and end period. Because I'm going to use the first year, that means the start period is 0. The first day is 1. That means I'm going to calculate the depreciation for 1 day. 1 day. 0, 1 is 1 day. But because I'm starting with 0, that means I'm going to go for the first day. Now press enter like this. If I'm going to change this one and make it the first 2 days. First 2 days. What do I need to do here? VDB cost, comma, salvage, comma, lifetime. And here, because as we can see it's day, I need to multiply by 365, comma, and I said the first 2 days, so I'm gonna go for the 0 because it's the first, comma, and 2. That means I'm gonna go for 2 days, but these days are the first. So this is the depreciation for the first 2 days. Now, if I want the second, I'm going to write here the second day, not the first day. أنا ما أريد الأول. Not the first day, the second day. So VDB cost, comma, salvage, comma, lifetime. We need to multiply by 365, comma, the second day. That means it's not the first. And I need only one day, and this day is the second day. So I'm going to start from the 1, comma, 2. Why is this 1, 2? I'm telling that I need one day. 2 minus 1 is 1. That means I need one day. But this day is not the first. So I'm not going to go for 0. If I'm going to put 0 here, that means I'm telling the Excel that I need the first day. No, the second day is minus 1. Okay? This is the second day and press enter. So we can go back for the first example like this and keep on going. Same thing with the month. I can do it for the first month, second month, 10th month, whatever. Now how do I calculate for the month? VDB, double click. I need the cost as well. I need the salvage, lifetime. Now because this one is year and this one is month, so I need to multiply by 12. The same thing with day. I need the first month, it's going to be 0. I need the, and it ends at here. Start, end. Start of the period, end of the period. Start of the period, end of the period. Press enter. We're going to see this is the depreciation for our first month. First year is very easy. VDB, sorry. VDB cost, comma, salvage, comma, lifetime. This is year, so I don't need to do anything. Just 0 and 1. Why 0 and 1? Start of the period, end of the period, and I need only the first year. So this is the first depreciation for the first year. Now here it's a bit different. I need the depreciation between the 6 month. We focus on this 6 month and the 18th month. The 18th month. So I have a period. It's not the first, it's not the second, it's not the last. It's the period that starts from 6 month to 18th month. From 6 to 18. From 6 to 18 month. How do I calculate this? It's very easy. We're going to use the same thing. Cost, comma, salvage, comma, lifetime. And this is month or year? No, it's month, so I need to multiply by 12, comma. Now, what is the start period? What is the start period right here? The start period is 6. I gave it to you, 6, comma. What is the end period? The end period is 18th. So it's 18. And press, this is the depreciation for the first day, first month, first year, and from the 6th month to the 18th month. I can do a lot of questions and problems from here. I can do it from, let's say I need from the 9th month to the 12th month. I need from the 3rd day to the 10th day. All of that we can do it with the VDB function. This is all about the DDB function and VDB function. If you have any questions, you can contact me. Thanks for listening and see you later.